If you searched the whole world, you still may never find the perfect person for you. I guess that's why Merton decided to expand his search a little.
Okay, now, when I give you the signal, you play this 3-note salutation sequence. Okay? You got it?
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Here we go.
Come on, Tommy. You're blowing my chance at intergalactic communication.
Come on. Why are we even doing this?
Our brush with an extraterrestrial boy band taught me one thing. We are not alone. Come on, it's our duty to serve as ambassadors of mankind, to transmit a message of peace.
You are a female alien. I am a male human. You are open-minded and financially secure. No head games or wackos, please. Come on. Merton. You're placing a personal ad in space? Come on. You brought me all the way out here for this. I'm out of here.
No, don't go.
Happy hunting.
When did you become such a cynic? It's like I don't even know you anymore. All right. Okay. Hey there, good looking. Come here often?
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
So I see you got my ad. I hope you're not too disappointed. I realized that describing myself as voluptuous was a bit of a stretch, but...
Perfect.
Perfect. Hey, does E.T. know you're using his bit? No, not the face. My face is everything. You okay, buddy?
Daddy! What was that noise?
It was an alien. It was incredible. I don't know where to begin. She touched my forehead. I did a... And then she left. Yeah, it loses a little something in the retelling.
What do you think she wanted?
We may never know. I just hope I represented mankind with dignity and honor.
You do know you wet yourself.
I don't think she noticed.
Well,
Thank you. Well, Lori, it's clear from your essays that Havermill College is your first choice.
Oh, absolutely. I've wanted to go there since I was a kid.
But we can only tell so much from board scores and grades. We want to know the person behind the application. What makes Lori Baxter different than other applicants?
Lori! I was just touched by an alien.
Who's the suit?
Guys, this is Dean Anders from Havermill College.
Oh, that is hot!
Sorry.
It was incredible. I placed my personal ad into hyperspace and got an instant response. She was a looker, too. Tommy, back me up.
how you doing, Dean? They call me TD. That's Tommy Dawkins. You know, I have a brother named Dean.
Actually, I am Havermill's Dean of Admissions. I am interviewing Lori, and she was just about to tell me what makes her unique.
Well, right on. You're gonna do that thing where you flip your eyelids inside out?
Sorry about them. They were just leaving right now.
Huh?
I think it would be best if we rescheduled.
No.
Call my office. Good night.
What? You have her phone number? You gotta hook me up. Please.
Black Wizard and Mad Dog 1. Do you copy?
Yeah. This is Tommy. I'm here.
Black Wizard to Pink Fox. Come in, Pink Fox.
Merton, we can hear you.
Code names, people. Use your code names. Okay. We gotta split up. Our mission? Find Green Giant.
Lori, what's the story with, Dean Anders? Has you seen anybody?
Tommy, you cannot hit on the dean.
Mad Dog, Pink Fox.
What did I tell you about the walkies?
Come on, guys.
What?
Yeah. Thank you, Tommy. That was a close call. God! Hey, you!
You must be more careful.
You're gone. That was good.
Yeah. I still don't get why that alien tried to save your life.
Hey, maybe she has the fever for the flavor of a dingle.
Merton, you just dipped your pickle in your chocolate pudding.
Yeah. And it's delicious. Needs a little tartar sauce. That's the stuff. Oh, Tommy, you gotta try it. It's good.
You know,
It's good.
You're really freaking me out. I mean, what's up with all this food? And why are your cheeks rosy all of a sudden?
Tommy, so I have a few strange cravings, and I got a little color in my face. You act like you've never seen a guy. Pregnant?
Thanks again for rescheduling Dean Anders. I'm really, really sorry about the other night.
Well, boys will be boys. Now, I had asked you what distinguishes you from other candidates. Have you had a chance to think about this?
Yes, absolutely. And I think that...
Lori, check it out. Merton's pregnant. Hey, Dean. What's new?
Hey, Dawn.
Shall we continue, Lori, or do you need to be part of this practical joke?
No. No.
Oh, the back pain's kicking in.
Okay, buddy, we'll get you to the lair, man. Hold on.
Yeah.
Lori, please come on.
Okay.
Excuse me, Dean Anders. Can we please reschedule?
We already did that, Lori. Good luck with your college career,
Breathe.
wherever that may be.
Tommy, I can't believe you winked at her.
Me?
Anyone care to guess what I can't believe?
Merton, you don't just go to lunch one day and suddenly become 9 months pregnant, especially when you're a guy.
Arnold Schwarzenegger found himself with child in 1994's predictably underwhelming comedy, Junior.
Oh, yeah? What happened?
Well, Arnie tried to score big with some family fare, but only alienated his core audience. In the movie, Merton!
What happened?
In the movie! Die! Never saw it. Who do you think he alienated?
Look, this can't be happening, okay? I mean, it's not humanly possible.
Not humanly possible? Lori, that's it, of course.
You know?
Martin,
Are you okay?
Give me a hand, I gotta...
slowly.
Baby, rise. The alien! Of course, she's the mother of my baby. That's why she saved me from the car. Do you realize what this means?
Yeah, I'm not going to Havermill.
No! It means that out of 5 billion people on Earth, I was chosen to sire intergalactic spawn! Not Matt Damon, not Ben Affleck, me!
Cool.
High five.
I'm not high-fiving a pregnant guy.
Look, Martin, until we figure out what all of this is about, I suggest you lay low for a while.
Oh, sage advice, Lori. I assure you, I will remain deep, deep underground. Come to my baby shower. Oh, tell a friend. Oh yeah, feel that little critter kick? This one's gonna be a soccer player.
Martin, you call this laying low? Martin!
That'll be all.
I felt bad that all the alien pregnancy stuff had blown Lori's interviews. So, I thought I'd go see Dean Anders and patch things up. And, you know. Hey, Dean.
May I help you?
Yeah, actually, I was wondering if I could get a, interview with you.
Are you aware Havermill is a women's college, Tommy? We do not grant admission to men. So, if you don't mind, I have some people to meet with.
Yeah, actually, that's why I'm here. I think you should give Lori Baxter another chance.
2 chances is 1 more than most people get.
Yeah, but we barged in on you guys, all right? It wasn't her fault. Just give her 1 more chance, and you'll see, all right? Lori's Haverhill material all the way.
Havermill, Tommy. And as it happens, I do have 1 more opening this evening around 7.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Ah, gotta get to practice.
Football.
Lamas. Breathe, Merton. Breathe. Okay. Shallow. Shallow. You're doing great, man. You're natural.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Maybe I could help the little fella fight bad guys like his uncle Tommy. Careful, Tommy, you're gonna hurt the baby. Guys like his uncle Tommy. Careful, Tommy, you're gonna hurt the baby.
5 legs? How come?
Just in case, Tommy. I mean, my baby is half alien.
Baby is all alien,
Helm?
and it isn't yours.
Hey, sister. I got a swollen belly and a half a dozen stretch marks that say you're wrong.
That is because you are merely a storage vessel in which my child is incubating. Your carcass will be discarded after the hatch.
What do you mean, hatch?
What do you mean, carcass? And discarded?
Dog beast of Cardoth, what are you doing on this planet?
Werewolf, actually. But I get that sometimes, so don't worry about it. Wait, now let my buddy go.
No! Too many dangers surround my baby here. We will return to the ship, and I will take the jumper.
What am I doing? Tommy, do something!
Welcome to space where no one can hear you scream.
So, how do you think the baby will be making its way into the world? My anatomy being a little different from the average child bearer.
Are you familiar with the film Alien?
Are you kidding? The 1979 Ridley Scott classic featuring Sigourney Weaver in a career-defining role? Oh, remember the part where the alien bursts out of John Hurt's stomach? That was disgusting. You mean...
Thanks so much for seeing me again.
Well, let's hope the third time's a charm.
Hey.
Yes? Tommy?
The alien beamed Merton back to her spaceship. She's gonna discard his body after the baby hatches. You look really nice tonight, Dean Anders, I must say.
What are we gonna do?
I think this jobby might beam us back to her ship. I'm gonna need a wingman on this one.
Well, let's do it. Dean Anders,
Lori, you have wasted 3 chances to prove you were special enough for Havermill College. I'm afraid your application is rejected.
No, hold on, Dean, please. You want to know what sets Lori apart from all your other applicants?
Of course.
Yeah? Then hang on.
Unbelievable.
What do you mean, because we're in a spaceship, or because I'm a werewolf?
Psst, guys, I got a bit of a situation here. Hi, Dean Anders.
At last, my child is ready.
New space was big, but this is ridiculous.
Yuck!
Okay, buddy.
You must be hungry. Let your first feast begin.
Oh, feast sounds yummy. What's on the menu tonight? Oh, yours truly. Ma, couldn't we just start him with some strained yams? Do something.
Tommy, I'll get Merton, okay? You hold off the alien.
All right, space lady. Control your kid, huh?
He's a Dickens, this one. I'm not looking forward to his terrible twos.
Rest, my little angel. Drink, baby, drink. I'll vaporize them all into mush. It'll make them easier to eat. Let's see how you handle weightlessness without gravity boots, dog beast.
This is kind of cool. Fly like the window, hairy one.
Help! Merton! Do something! Merton!
You okay?
Merton, help me.
Hey, you alien freak, over here!
Lori, what are you doing?
Besides dissing my old lady.
Well, I've been thinking about what makes me different, and here's what I got. I'll do anything for my friends. I'm not afraid of an alien, and most of the time, I'm pretty down to earth. Well, gotta get the ray gun before she gets it. Tommy, 12 o'clock!
That was quite a ride.
Not bad.
Well, looks like every dog beast has its day now, doesn't it?
Great job, people. But I'm not sitting here waiting for a haircut. Untie me! Come on!
Coming! Relax, Martin.
You relax! Can you say Papa Merton? Okay, let's get you back with your mama, okay?
Hey, Dean. Sorry about dragging you into space like that. Hope you had a good time.
Strangely, I did, Wolf Boy.
Wolf boy? Dean. I'm 18, right? And in the eyes of the law, that makes me a wolf man.
Beam us down, Martin.
Don't bite. Don't bite. So, listen, Toots. Do me a favor. Lose my number, okay? Unless, of course, you have any hot chick alien friend.
Well, everything was back to normal, and Merton said he was pretty happy not being a pregnant guy anymore.
Look at this.
But I have this feeling he kind of liked it. And I guess Dean Anders thought Lori was pretty special after all.
Guys, I got to Havermill.
And as for our alien friends, I was glad they were gone, but we always kind of wondered what became of them.
And then the 3 little Gorgons ate all the humans. The end.